My office and the office of the governor no dey do competition for anything. Edo Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu yarn dis one wey dem draw im at ten tion say His Excellency Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don direct say the state government go pay the medical bill of the injured ball boy and the kit manager of Sunshine FC of Akure. Na dis one come make Oga Shaibu withdraw him promise wey he bin make to pay the players medical bill, but say he go still give dem the money wey he dash dem when he come visit the players for their hotel on Saturday. Oga Shaibu come talk say the office of governor and deputy governor na one and say dem no dey for any kind of competition, and say the reason he quick respond to dem na sake of the passion and love wey he get for football. Shaibu come talk say as person wey don dey there before, him know and understand how the players dey feel, and say him thank Mr. Governor him elder brother for the decision he make to pay the bill, and say belle sweet am wella for the decision as na still for the good of the state. Una go remember say unknown gunmen attack players and officials of Sunshine FC of Akure on Thursday 7th December 2023 for Lagos-Ore Benin Highway on their way to Benin City for the NPFL match day 13 engagement with Insurance FC. The unknown gunmen scatter their official bus with bullets wey can cause injuries to the kit manager and the ball boy. Na dis one come make the deputy governor sharparly carry waka go visit the injured ones for their hospital beds and visit the team on Saturday for their hotel. Oga Shaibu come pray for the players and give them words of encouragement and some money. Dis statement dey signed by Ebomiana Musa, Chief Press Secretary, Office of the Deputy Governor. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.